Hi, Dr. Dave here from Natural Health and Wellness Center, located of course in beautiful uptown Jamesburg, New Jersey. And this week we've had a handful of patients, 7 exactly, that have come with some inflammatory responses. Now, if you remember from our previous discussions, we're always talking about the 7 pillars of health. Well, inflammation falls under pillar 4. And when somebody comes with inflammation, I get concerned about what's happening, the underlying stuff that's going on in their bodies. You see, when they came in, we look for physiological signs of inflammation. And I'm sure your doctor does too. When you have a blood test, the blood test is going to show various things. You'll see elevated glucose levels, elevated A1C, elevated CRP, elevated cholesterol, and LDLs. And then we'll see decreased HDLs and decreased vitamin D levels. So when you get 3 or more of those, that's a telltale sign that pillar 4 is being compromised. You're having some inflammation going on. And so these are not signs and symptoms that you need more drugs in your body. These are signs and symptoms that something underlying is happening in an inflammatory or an inflammation response, and that needs to be addressed. And so when somebody comes in and we see this, we know don't suppress cholesterol, because cholesterol protects you from inflammation. LDLs take cholesterol from your liver out to your body for that protection. That's why they're elevated. HDLs take cholesterol from your body back to your liver. That's why they're lowered, because we don't want to lower it, we want to raise it. Cholesterol protects us. Vitamin D levels have to fall because our tissue calcium and calcium in our body is being munched up by this inflammatory process. And if vitamin D stayed high, we'd get into a tetany situation. That could lead to a heart attack. Glucose is elevated because stress is going to release sugar into our body for that sympathetic or flight-fright response. And your A1C and CRP are telling you about inflammation going on. And so you see, it's really important to understand when you have inflammatory responses in your body, get it evaluated correctly. Don't just jump for the drug. At Natural Health and Wellness Center, we check people for functional medicine. We check people biochemically, hormonally, and neurologically to see what the underlying condition or causes of their symptoms. If you or somebody you know is interested in this, has blood values that would like to be evaluated, take advantage of our free initial consultation where we'll take 15 to 20 minutes to go over your blood work with you and evaluate and let you know how we can help you. Naturally, of course. At Natural Health and Wellness Center, we want to be your inspiration for healthy living.